They approached NGS, one of them, and said that, this exclusivity, both of them, one said that, it should end and we take over some of the assets. The other said, look, we've invested so much, and this is a real challenge for us at NGS as how to see a consensus on that. Anybody else? There is somebody there.
Sir, I would like to add a comment to this on the marketing exclusivity.
Somebody there to ask? Yeah.
Sir, I would like to add a comment to this marketing exclusivity. It's only for 20% of the total network capacity. It's not that it's going to open for the entire 100% after this 8 years period. So that is also important.
So if there is anybody who wants to, yeah, you.
Hello. Am I audible? Yeah. My question is to Mr. Deepak Mehta regarding the gas exchange. Now, hello. Is this better? Yeah. Regarding the gas exchange that you mentioned, now comparing the IEX and the gas exchange, IEX as a forum has a very large number of players both on the buyer side and the seller side, right? And probably that is one of the things that affects the effectivity of such an exchange. Now in the gas market, I would expect that the number of players on both sides would be substantially lower. How do you think that will affect the effectivity of this exchange? And do you see a challenge in terms of achieving the same impact that IEX did?
Yeah, I agree what you are saying. That's the reason we have suggested to PNGRB that buyers should also be allowed to resell the gas up to a certain percentage of their nominated quantity. Because more number of buyers and sellers, it will help in the price discovery mechanism. As far as buyers number are concerned, I think buyers numbers are decent in gas industry. Yes, for sellers, yes. But we are building a platform where the international sellers can also use this platform to sell gas. So that can bring international flavor to the pricing regime.
So if we have no further questions or this thing, we would like to end this session here, and I would like to thank all the panelists for coming here and for sharing their thoughts with us. I would also like to thank the organizers for giving all of us an opportunity to share our views, and the audience for their patience in staying up so far for this conference. Thank you very much.
So I request now Mr. Rajiv Mathur to please present mementos to all our guests on the dais and speak few words to close the conference.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. And everything is so well. Thank you. Thank you so much for fixing it. Thank you, Mahesh.
I think we need to just come in here. Come, Rajiv. Come with us.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Good evening, friends. It's been a very
wonderful and a very informative day as far as I am concerned, and I'm sure you would have also enjoyed the deliberations throughout the day. We had in the opening session the presence of Mr. Sarraf as well as Mr. Bhargava, who are personalities in themselves as far as the industry is concerned and the users are concerned, and they gave us great insights into what are the perspective of a consumer and what it takes for the regulatory board to, maintain a vibrant and a growing industry. We also had the opportunity of the United States Embassy Energy Secretary to come and tell us about how the rapid growth of the US market is happening, how from a net importer they have become a big time exporter, and how new projects are coming up which will allow more and more gas to flow into the international markets. And it's for India and the other countries to make the full use of the opportunities that are available to buy as much volumes as required and at very reasonable prices. In the next session, we had, a session where the stakeholders, the suppliers, the buyers, policymakers, etc., each one of them deliberated on, the what are the challenges, pitfalls, and what are the opportunities that are there before us. This session was conducted by Ms. Gauri Johar, who's an executive director of IHS Market, one of the leading international, agencies as far as markets and products are concerned. And after the lunch break, we had a session where people talked about bio-CNG and how it could also pitch in as one of the products which could be sold through the retailing network as part of the Clean and Green Products Initiative, of the government. 5,000 bio-CNG stations and other things are being sought to be set up and supply gas to the rural areas and locations which are not connected to networks. We were also told about small and mid-scale LNG stations and how they can be set up, and where gas is available in standard form, you could use that as an opportunity to create that into LNG and retail it over either the network or take it somewhere and sell it. Also, we had a discussion on LNG as an auto fuel and what it takes to develop that as an alternate model for the gas business, because transport sector is increasingly gaining prominence as far as the use and opportunity of use of gas is concerned. And there were issues relating to bus and truck manufacturers to come on board. I'm sure as we go along we have further discussions on these subjects. More and more opportunities will arise and the solutions to the challenges that we've discussed will come forth. Of course, we had a very informative session on policy related issues and the regulations, how they've evolved, whether they need a relook, what pricing should be, and that a new exchange is coming up which will seemingly tell us what the discovered price of gas is. So all in all, I am going to go home with much more knowledge on the subject before I came into this place this morning, and I'm sure you also would have gained some insights of what's happening in the industry and the dynamics of this industry, and I'm sure we'll have many more occasions to meet on some of the subjects where we have not been fully able to address the issues, but there are solutions which are available. I would like to thank the organizers for putting up such a nice, infrastructure for us to come, sit, discuss and deliberate. We would also like to thank the audience. I would also like to thank the speakers, the chairs of the panel, the guests, and all the other people who have been involved in organizing this one-day event of GasTech. This was the second edition. If you have suggestions how to improve on this for the next this thing, they are most welcome. You can either tell the organizers or you can mail them to me. We'll try and bring up a better session next time. But till then, thank you very much. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Thank you.